हमारा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, देखो यूजिंग इंटीग्रेशन फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगुलर रीजन हुज साइड्स हैव द इक्वेशंस। देखिए ये आपका क्वेश्चन जो है, दिस क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम डेफिनेट इंटीग्रल से आपका क्वेश्चन है। तो चलिए हम डिस्कस करते हैं इस क्वेश्चन को। देखो आपके पास यहाँ पे जो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन है दैट इज y इज इक्वल टू 2x प्लस 1। अब बेटर ये रहेगा आप लोगों के लिए कि ये दोनों इक्वेशंस को हमने यहाँ पे लिखा, दिस इज योर फर्स्ट इक्वेशन एंड दिस इज योर सेकंड इक्वेशन, y is equal to 3x plus 1. So if I put the value of this y here, I will get here 2x plus 1 is equal to 3x plus 1. So if you cancel this with this, you will get 2x minus 3x is equal to 0. If you simplify it further, you will get x is equal to 0. So just this is first thing. So when x is equal to 0, you take the first equation first. Now you pick up the first equation, children. Now you just check it out. If you take this first equation here, we are getting this is your first equation, y is equal to 2x plus 1. So if I put the value of x0 here, then you will notice if x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 2 into 0 plus 1. So y comes out to be 1. So the first point here is 0 comma 1, through which this equation, this line is passing. Now you just take the second equation, children. The second equation is second equation here is you see that y is equal to 3x plus 1. So here if you put the value of x 0, y comes out to be 0 1. So it is clear that both these equations are passing through this point, I mean 0 1 and 0 1. This is one thing. Second, you just take this line, this is also a line, x is equal to 4. Now if you put the value of x4 here, y comes out to be 3 multiply 4 plus 1, that is 12 plus 1, you get 13. So this line and this line, they are intersecting at the point 4 13. Okay, and now if you take this line, x is equal to 4, you just try to find out y. 2 into 4 plus 1, you get 8 plus 1, that is 9. So you just check out that this line is intersecting this one at 4 9, right? So now from this we get an idea that how to draw the graph. So let us try to draw the graph. See children, this is x axis, this is x axis, this is y axis. Now as I am telling you that this line is passing through 0 1, 0 1 and 4 9. So if you just take it 1 2 3 4, here you take 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, you just take it like this. Now you just check out that here this line is passing through 0 1. So this point is 0 1, children. Here I am writing 0 0 comma 1. This line is passing through 0 comma 1 and 4 comma 9. So just you just check out. Now this equation, this equation x is equal to 4 is nothing. This is a line parallel to y axis. So just I am drawing this line here. This line is okay, this line is x is equal to 4. So this line is intersecting this line here. Just you check it out. This line is intersecting it here actually. You just draw it like this here, right? This point is 4 comma 9. Similarly, if you just consider this line here, this is intersecting at point 413, 413. So 0 1 and 413. So I have to take it little bit further here till here. You can take it like this, like this. See, this point is 413. So you just join it like this, here like this. Now I have to find the area bounded by, see, this line is y is equal to 2x plus 1. This line is y is equal to 3x plus 1, and this line, obviously this line is x is equal to 4. So I have to find, children, this area, understand it, right? I have to find this area of shaded region. You can understand these lines are straight lines. In fact, just don't go through uh, the way I draw this line. Actually, just understand it. Okay. Now you can say here area of shaded portion. Area of shaded portion. So that is nothing. That is y dx minus y dx, children. Now this y dx and y dx, why I have written like this? Y dx is which line? This line is y is equal to 3x plus 1. Understand, if you integrate this line from here till here, you get this complete area, right? And you have to take the limit from 0 to 4, children. Here this is 0 and this is 4. And if you subtract this area, this is complete area. See, if you integrate it, you will get this complete area. This complete area from here till here, this complete area, this, and like this. But if you subtract this area, then you get the area of shaded portion. So now you see that this line is which one? We will also integrate it from 0 to 4, but this line is y is equal to 2x plus 1. So I hope you have understood it, that why I am doing it like this. So now, see, children, this is 0 to 4 and we are writing it 3x plus 1 dx minus 0 to 4 here, and this is 2x plus 1 dx, right? So now this is the area of the shaded portion. So let us now go through further here. So now the required area which we get through integration, and I do believe that integration is clear to you. This is 3. Integration of x is x square upon 2. Then we have plus here. Integration of x is 1 is x, limit 0 to 4, minus. Now you go through this one. This is 2x square. Now here basically you check it out. So here this is 2x square upon 2. You put the sign plus 1 here. This integration of 1 is x and 0 to 4. So now you simplify it further. You get 3 upon 2 16 plus 4 minus 0 minus. Here you can simplify it further. You get 4 4 just 16 plus 4 minus 0. If you simplify it further, children, here you get 8. You get here 24 plus 4 minus 20. 20 minus 0. You simplify it further. You get here 28 minus 20. So answer comes out to be 8 square unit, right? So this is your question number 29 चिल्ड्रन। चिल्ड्रन, यहाँ जो हमारे पास क्वेश्चन है, फाइंड द शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द लाइंस। देखो, इस क्वेश्चन में आप थोड़ा सा अगर एक लॉजिक लगाओ तो हम यहाँ पे क्या कर सकते हैं। देखो, आपके पास जो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन है दैट इज x प्लस 1/7 y प्लस 1/-6 इज इक्वल टू z प्लस 1/1। आपने सबसे पहले इसमें क्या करना कि a1 फाइंड आउट करना चिल्ड्रन, वेक्टर a1 दैट इज माइनस आई। देखो, ये यहाँ से निकालना आपने ना, दिस इज माइनस आई, दिस इज माइनस जे एंड दिस इज माइनस के। यानी आपका पॉइंट यहाँ पे x माइनस x1 होता है तो -1 है, यहाँ पे ध्यान रखना आपने। और यहाँ पे जो n1 है आपके पास दैट इज 7i -6j प्लस के, ये आपके पास दे रखा है। अब आपने यहाँ पे ये दूसरी इक्वेशन ले ली, यहाँ पे दिस इज x-3/1 इज इक्वल टू y-5/-2 इज इक्वल टू z-7/1। यहाँ से चिल्ड्रन आपने a2 फाइंड आउट करना। ठीक है, देखो ये आ जाएगा आपका 3i प्लस 5j प्लस 7k, राइट। और यहाँ पे जो आपका वेक्टर n2 आएगा, आपने यहाँ से लेना, दिस इज i -2j और साथ में आपके पास आ जाएगा प्लस k, राइट। अब आपको एक तो इसमें सबसे पहले शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस का फॉर्मूला पता होना चाहिए। शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू लाइंस का फॉर्मूला होता है, देखो फॉर्मूला आपने याद रखना है ये, दिस इज a2 माइनस a1 डॉट n1 क्रॉस n2 और नीचे इसमें आता है n1 क्रॉस n2 मैग्नीट्यूड। ये फॉर्मूला होता है चिल्ड्रन इसका, राइट। तो आप इस क्वेश्चन को सोल्व कर सकते हैं। आप देखो, सबसे पहले आप इसमें क्या करो कि a2 माइनस a1 फाइंड आउट करो। ठीक है, ये लो मैंने a2 माइनस a1 फाइंड आउट किया, तो आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे आपके पास है दिस इज 3i प्लस 5j प्लस 7k माइनस, और a1 है आपके पास -i -j -k। So if you simplify it further, you get 3i plus 5j plus 7k plus I plus j plus k. If you simplify it further, you get here 4i plus 6j plus 8k. अच्छा, इसी तरह से चिल्ड्रन आपने यहाँ पे ये n1 क्रॉस n2 भी आपने फाइंड आउट करना। सो यू कैन फाइंड इट लाइक दिस, दिस इज i j k। अब यहाँ पे देखो आपके पास इसकी वैल्यू जो है यहाँ पे दिस इज 7 -6 1 है, और n2 की वैल्यू यहाँ पे देखो दिस इज 1 -2 1 है। So you just simplify it further, you get here I -6, देखो आप I लेंगे तो this into this minus this into this प्लस 2 आ गया आपके पास, माइनस j लिया हमने तो 7 -1 प्लस k लिया हमने यहाँ पे तो -14 प्लस 6। So you just simplify it further, you will get here आपके पास आ जाएगा -4i प्लस 6j -8k। नाउ चिल्ड्रन, ये सारी वैल्यूज, इसके अलावा आपने यहाँ पे ये भी फाइंड आउट कर लेना n1 क्रॉस n2 मैग्नीट्यूड। तो देखिए आपके पास सिंप्लीफाई करके यहाँ पे आ गया 16 प्लस 36 प्लस 64 and if you simplify it further you will get here the value that is 116. You just check it out, 16, 36, 64, 6, 7, 10. Okay, 116 you will get here, 116 here. Okay, now you simply put all these values here in this formula. So shortest distance we can find, you just check it out, a2 minus a1, that is 4i plus 6j प्लस 8k, और यहाँ पे मैंने लगा दिया डॉट, दिस इज माइनस 4i प्लस 6j माइनस 8k, और नीचे आपके पास जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि रूट 116 आ गया। इसको भी अगर हम फर्दर सिंप्लीफाई करें चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज माइनस 16, this is minus 16, 36, minus 64. I do think that we may have done some mistake. This is a2 minus a1 is, this is okay. And what about this? Minus 4i plus 6. Here actually this is minus sign actually, है ना? This is minus. You just check it out. So here this sign is minus. Okay. So here if you simplify it children, so you get minus 16. See, you get minus 16. Then you get minus 36. Then you get minus 64. And here 116. Okay. Like this. Simplify, if you simplify it further, the answer comes out to be, this is, if you take modulus it is like this, 116. So answer is nothing, this is root 116. If you simplify it further, answer comes out to be 2 root 29, 2 under root 29. So this is the answer to this question children. Okay. Now children, here we have a question, find the equation of the plane. Here we have to find equation of the plane passing through 3 points. So you have given 3 points, 1, 1, minus 1. Second point is given to you, that is 6, 4, minus 5. And third point is minus 4, minus 2, 3. Now equation of plane, equation of a plane passing through 3 non-collinear points, non-collinear points is this one. This is x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. This is x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. This is x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 is equal to 0, right? I am writing here the Cartesian form. You can take in the vector form also children. This is Cartesian form, right? So here in this question, you just check out, you can apply direct formula. So if you apply the direct formula, you get here x minus x1 y minus y1 and z minus z1. Here you get x2 minus x1. Children, this is 6 minus 1. You get 5. 4, 4 minus 1. You get here 3. And this is minus 2 minus 1. You get minus 3. Likewise, you can write this x3 minus x1. x3 minus x1. So, this is minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. Then minus 2 minus 1. This is minus 3. Then 3 minus 1. You get here 4. Right? 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. You get here 4, children, right? So, here you get 4, right, equal to 0. You just check it once more. This is minus. This one actually, this is Z2 minus Z1. Z2, 4 minus 1. Z2 minus 5 minus 1. Here actually you get plus 4 sign, children, right? Minus 4. See, this is Z2 minus 5 plus 1. Here you get minus 4. Okay, this is minus 4. So, you just simplify it further. Here you get x minus 1 and here this is 4 3 is 12 minus 12. So, you are getting 12 minus 12 minus, you can write y minus 1. See, this is y minus 1. 20 minus 20. Here you get 20 minus 20. Then you take the last number, that is z plus 1. Right. So, this is 15 minus 15 plus 15, right, minus 15 plus 15. Okay. So, you are getting 0 here actually. Just you simplify it further. This is 0, this is 0, this is 0. You are getting 0 is equal to 0. Now, children, you are not getting any plane. You are not getting any plane here. Why? Why? Because why this thing happened? It is because it means all these 3 points, all these 3 points are collinear. Okay, right? These points are collinear. That is why you are getting, because this is the equation for non-collinear. This is the Cartesian for non-collinear points. You get this problem here because these 3 points, are collinear. What it means? What it means? It means there are infinite planes, infinite number of planes. Okay, infinite number of planes passing through these 3 non-collinear points, non-collinear points. So, you just try to understand it. So, why this thing has happened? It happens because these 3 points are collinear. That is why you are not getting the actual equation of a plane, because there are infinite planes. There are infinite planes which passes through. There are infinite number of planes which are passing through these points. Okay, clear, children? Now, if I go through another question, children, this is your This is your last question for today's discussion. This question is from LPP, linear programming. So let me discuss this question in detail. See, here you have, just understand this, here you have 2x plus y greater than equal to 3. Now you can write it like this, children, for simplicity. This is equal to 3, so y is equal to 3 minus 2x. So it means if you just try to plot a graph, you can plot it like this. This is x, this is y. See, if you take the value of x 0, you are getting here 3. If you get the value of x as 1, you are getting 3 minus 2, right? That is, if you put x 0, if you put x 1, then y comes out to be 1, right? Y comes out to be 1, 3, right? So if you put the value of x as 1, x as 1 here, then y comes out to be 1. So now it is clear to you that this line is passing through 0 comma 3 and 1 comma 1. This is one thing. Now you take now, children, this second line. So this is your first line. Now I am taking your second line. Second line is x plus 2y is equal to 6. You just simplify it further. 2y is equal to 6 minus x. So y comes out to be 6 minus x upon 2, and you just draw a graph to this line as well, right? How will you draw it? See, this is x, this is y. If you take the value of x 0, you are getting 3 here. If you get the value of x 6, y comes out to be 0 here actually, right? Here I am taking x as 6, so it comes out to be. So now, children, you just take these three conditions, so you can draw a graph here. So let me draw a graph. It means we are in the first quadrant only, because x is greater than 0, y is greater than 0, and you take first this line. So it is passing through, see, this point is 1, this point is 2, this point is 3, here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can take 6. Now this first line is passing through 0, 3. So I am putting here 0 comma 3, and it is also passing through 1 comma 1. So 1 comma 1 is here, in fact, okay, 1 comma 1 point is here. So you can draw a graph like this. You can draw a graph which passes through 1 comma 1 also, like this. Yeah, like this. It is passing through 1 comma 1 and 0 comma 3, right? This is 1 comma 1. Okay. Now you take the second line. It is passing through 0 comma 3, and it is also passing through 6 comma 0. So it is also passing through. Here, like this. Now you just check out the inequality. This line is 2x plus y is equal to 3, and this line is 2x plus y is equal to 6. Now both these lines are greater than 0. You just check it out here. This is greater than 3, greater than 6. So, here you will get this kind of projection, right. See, you can see here the area is unbounded, area is not bounded, this is unbounded, area is unbounded, right. Now, if this area is unbounded, it means you are getting here only these 3 points, 2 points children, one is this and another point is here, this is 6 comma 0. These are the only points you do have actually. Now, this is the area and this area is unbounded. So, you can take the value of these are the corner points, and this is the value of the z, that is equal to x plus 2y. Now, corner point is one is 0 comma 3 and z comes out to be, if you put the value of 0 plus 2, 0 plus this 6, you are getting 6. This is the minimum value. And another point is that is 6 comma 0, another point is 6 comma 0, 6 comma 0. So, here we are getting again 6, see 6 plus 0, that is 6. So, here the minimum value of z in both the cases is z comes out to be 6 only. So, it means we are getting this problem that 6 may or may not be the minimum value, right. Now, both the values are minimum. Now, see this 6 may or may not be the minimum value, okay. So, what we can do now, what we can do from here is this, that now you have to draw this line, right. Which line? Then let us check it, z less than 6. For z less than 6, the value of z is this one. So, this is x plus 2y, right, x plus 2y less than 6. Now, this x plus 2y, so this x plus 2y is this line only, right, x plus 2y is this line. Now, this is the same line, but it means even if you take this line, again this is unbounded, this region does not have a common region, right, this line is only this. So, this line does not have a common region. So, if it does not have a common region, what does it mean? It means z is equal to 6 is the only minimum value, right, clear. So, this is all about this question, children.